Lifespan of a coin washer. Most of the time, I would say you're going to be 12 to 15 years. Do we have customers that push that beyond that? Yes. But as I explained earlier, in today's modern machines, unfortunately, you can, don't shoot the messenger, but these components are changing and they were becoming obsolete sooner than they used to. So you could be in a situation that you're pushing your equipment well beyond end of life support, then you're in an emergency replacement situation instead of planning for it. I would say you're probably safe saying 12 years, and then you really should be in that replacement cycle. There's some advantages doing it a little bit earlier where maybe we can sell some used equipment out of it. You get the depreciation and start that replacement cycle a little bit earlier, and then work all the way, have everything replaced by 12 years. But that's, kind of sit down and really map out a good plan.